trouble. Hey, someone
there is a shadow over you.
The shadow of death.
You had a quarrel with someone.
No, I did not have quarrel with anyone. She
got her angry when you put her into shame. That is the spirit of death.
Spirit of the dead?
Yes! Spirit of the dead. Ubeka I say, Hosum die, no one comfortable, Etifako, Aya the poor. Sadano, and I'm born in the better room. My mother say, Be how I could sit down with you.
God, what am I going to do?
Sacrifice.
What kind of sacrifice?
Blood sacrifice.
Do you think that is easy?
Where do you and you money? And you woman. You been your mother.
The blood of either a dog or a cat will do.
Cat?
Or a dog?
Moja.
Blood!
I seem not to understand you these days. So you did all these things without my consent.
Must I seek consent before consulting a spiritualist for help? How many times have you told me I'm making up things? And how many times have I told you what's happening to me? And you've never mind. Have you been supportive?
Oh yes. I know you will always come out with something like this. But tell me, didn't I go to a specialist with you?
That's all you say. How many times have you called me since? And how many times have you made promises and you've never turned up?
But you know I've been busy.
So, go ahead and be busy. I'll move around to solve my own problems.
No, honey.
Hey!
It hasn't come to this. Please. I'm sorry. You can't avoid me now. You need me and I need you too. Jane! I know you are in there. Open this door. Jane! 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 It's okay. What did you try to do? Why do you want to take your own life? Listen to me. No matter what happens, life is still worth it.
Life is not worth it with all these things happening to me. All of a sudden, an evil spirit came from nowhere tormenting me. It's better for me to be dead, gone.
No, you won't die. I will do all in my power to help you out.
You don't love me anymore. You don't want to marry me anymore. You believe I'm being possessed by an evil spirit. And you believe the same evil spirit is tormenting me.
Honey, don't talk like this. I love you so much and I'm going to marry you. The plans for next month will surely happen.
You want to marry me? With all this that is happening to me?
Yes, I mean it. We'll go and see my parents tomorrow.
Not so quick.
Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. I love you so much. Mom, Dad. Dad, how is business?
Oh, not so bad. Hoping to receive more. How are you going to manage your marriage?
We're putting 1 or 2 things in place and we're hoping to...
Jesus! Blood!
Jane.
I'm a devil.
No, Jane, wait, Jane.
Tom!
Honey, wait. You can't leave like
I'm sorry, I have to leave. I can't stay here.
Please, just a little bit.
I can't be here, please.
Everywhere I go, I'm being pursued by the shadow of day. What a disgrace! Animguasie pioneer.
Listen, Mom. I know everything and I understand her. What matters most is Jane loves me and I love her.
Tom, don't tell me you have been possessed by any spirit of hers.
That is nonsense. I've been with Jane for almost 2 years.
Don't ever argue with your father. There are more girls out there looking for a guy like you. You are standing here going to marry a witch. Are you mad?
Mom, Jane is not a witch. She is my fiancée and I'm going to marry her.
Tom, how will you explain this? Your girlfriend visits her future parents-in-law, goes to the kitchen, prepares a cake, baked cake, burning hot oven. The cake turned out to be bloody. I mean, blood flowing from a cake. How will you explain such a thing?
That is what I'm trying to explain to you. It is not her making.
Oh, I see. You are out of your senses. You are out of your senses. She has captured your thinking powers. And listen, you are not going to marry that witch or go ahead and marry her without me as a father. I can't preside over such a scandal.
Dad, you can't do anything like this.
End of discussion. Go join that witch of yours. Borrow back.
Mom, you have to talk to Dad.
You have lost your mind.
I love Jane and I'll marry her.
Ah, madam, I didn't know that once. I didn't. And then I didn't. It didn't problem in the same. I didn't cry on to go to my problem. I didn't. Problem in the same, madam. Eh? Problem in the same. Ah. Obi bua mi o, Obi bua mi o, Obi bua mi o. Mr. Man, what do you call him? Oh, you bay for? She be witchy, papa. What do you call the man? And family, oh, you bay for?
What was the driver talking about? What happened? Jane, I'm talking to you. Jane, tell me what went wrong.
What is it?
We need a powerful place, like a house of God.
I'm not going anywhere. That good girl, or whatever she calls herself, can have her way.
Don't just give up. There is more to life than...
Stop preaching me, buddy. You were there when all these things were happening to me. You could have helped. And listen, don't ever try to stop me ever again when I decide to commit suicide. And you're convinced when your parents were telling you not to marry me. And that I'm a witch.
Honey, don't talk like that. I truly believe there's a way out. And I'm ready to support you till all this evil is over.
You know what?
Please.
Hurry up and drive me out of here.
Honey, please. Let's go and see a man of God.
I said, hurry up and drive me out of here.
The blood of
A sacrifice? Will that truly solve the problem? But how can I slaughter a dog or a cat? Would that really solve the problem? I can do it. I want victory over her. She's dead and I'm alive. She can't defeat me just like that. No.
Baba so she. Yes, you the moon yame. Pierre, come from your face here, come. She, Baba so me here. What do you cook over yes, you didn't move? Come!
Please. Pouch already here on my. Pouch yourself. We need your help. My fiancée, she has me under a spell.
Hey, Ufre we fiancé. Oba, peye and bronzamity nimu. Ufre so fiancé. Oba will get 2 degrees.
So for with the menstrual pan, with the TD worker. So for we've been to many places. Yeah, go baby brave, a song of baby here. But we've never tried Jesus.
Jesus is not born in Dinty. Betium. The machine and yammy, between me, I have found.
So for me, that's it. So
I said, I am.
guess what? He has decided to help us.
Really? Let's go there.
No, wait. He said he will call us when he needs us. So don't worry. Let's just wait for him. It's okay. Cheer up, it's okay. He's going to help us.
Jesus! Enunyam Shenkau. Uradi wakuwa ni wabawo yombai. Omede omwasam abatu wenim. Uradi mame wakwanchere. Uradi mamu nyanse. Mamu edi ya omenye ojie ni fahudie. Misiro hotumi. Misiro wahode. Misiro hongo sara. Ewo Yesu Kristo demo. Uradi look na abra usmo ushafano. Umama hunfisu tumi. Uradi manya hunfisu tumi ye. Manya hunfisu tumi ye. Tumi ye se me piyama na be yoja. Sa humne ni aba wani diye se no. Obe chane ewo Yesu demo. Uradi fasa wode ne tome. Uradi fasa tumi ne tome. Uradi fasa ngosha ne tome. Se me piyama noa. Me yoja oja. Me piyama noa. Me yoja oja. Me promise sama. Me yagrada. Masa humne jane. Ewo Yesu demo. Jesus. Everybody me jiwudi. Debi e utie me. Ina mi se brade na so be tie me. Obe fa me so na waji abawe. Every Satan isem. Meda wase. Se papa. Wakai wapam. Wa shemode. Wa shehwan onyam. Awo doba Yesu Kristo demunti. Amen. Sister, I feel I'm at the Never nisena. Some ninya who can wura what it was.
Pastor, she came for free treatment for her daughter. Is it possible that the dead can actually come to the hospital for a favor?
Since you must be to me.
My name is Boss Kasai, but he refused. After she came begging me.
Me go to dream na pauchewi ana wukume ni masisa wo me fan chew de biarada na ho hwere nto de biarada na wo be kai ya wo ye
The same day, just as I closed from work, the hunt began.
Why are you speeding? And where are you taking me to? The cowboy is time, Jim.
One day, I dreamt having communion with the host of ghostly people. I woke up with blood on my face and in my mouth. Since then, I realized once in a while, people see things about me that I don't realize.
So, Obekaya, Mame Abruabi, Efa Obribi, Efesadiana.
Give me my shoe! Give me my shoe! Give me my shoe!
Yes. My shoe.
Jesus.
My shoe.
I want to hear you. Say, Obekaya, I gave you a share sample one. But we bonny be see what brabo. But and them no be bompire. Na nyame adom a ochena. Mo be fa me na ye nko mo fi. Na ye hwe ni nyame be ye. Na na mpesa be ka chiram say Yesu ti ase. We din kunim no be ko so din kunim dia mam. Ya mompa. Be bompire wo Yesu dire mu. Me no show nyame nsa. O nyame je tomi amode. Endi ma. E kama. Empoa. Encho. Ono kwafo ye da wasi ye pagya o ye okese se okra okodi ataban so na odi entata de ebedu fia e wo Yesu Kristo dremuti amen
Amen.
Me pese okona koyi mpopo na o sha e de o hawo ne ba no ebra mi sisia sisia bibia betu misi epese bompa eternity e wo Yesu Kristo ni
Jane.
Who ma we wura no. Apesa wo se ni pedie. E wo Yesu ni mo. Michelle. Dan we di na ko. E wo Yesu ni. Michelle. Bia. E wo Yesu ni mo. Michelle. Jesus. Michelle. E wo Yesu Kristo ni mo. Wo ba. E wo Yesu ni. Ko. Michelle. Oja. Me bukuku. Michelle nduma. Michelle sese. Me tema ho de free usem. E wo Yesu ni mo. Pasco Tobranta bro. Luca Brosco Tobranta bro. Jesus.
Pastor Jane.
Ewa Yesu ni mo. Jane baba.
Pastor Jane.
Baby bi aje ho hwe. Ewa Yesu Kristo ni mo. Me froba. Adan Yesu Kristo duro na Lazarus te wu. No tie mo fra no Lazarus no bai. Ewa Yesu ni mo. Jane me fro. Baby e dwa ko hwe. Se wo sensu asio, ye dwa ko hwe poasio. Baby bi e dwa ko hwe. Me fro. Ewa Yesu ni. Jesus. What is you to bro. Thank you. Jesus. You know yam media. Jesus, thank you. Jesus. Yeah, I was sick. Jesus. You know yam come. What didn't you mama ye? I said with some you man. Thank you, Pastor Jesus. Never said I'm Miami. I will use them. I'm a one away. Jesus. Then say, bro, you so much. Jesus. Some dim cuckoo. Amen. That's it. Dinkunim. We trade that. I will use so Christ. Jesus.
Are you okay?
Pai wo Yesu Kristo din mo. De mo je tu nya wo de ni twam hia pabo mu hia. Wo retem de je tu ma meche. Man nyuma ina mbre wieye. E wo Yesu Kristo din mo. Amen.
Amen.
Jesus. E wo Yesu Kristo din mo. Wo ma wo te pabo mu a. Wo te tije ni. Ena Yesano Yamija Guso, Yesano Yamija, I get Guso. About Slumper Worm, and I did dinner. Over the Sana Bravo. When Yam will make Guase, I will use to Christo Dremo. When you make Guase, when you make Guase, when you go point him Kuni, when you go point him Kun Mama Jane, I will use to Christo Dremo.
Yeah. That will be a production. Presents Animguasie. I'm a divine redeemer. Maybe anytime can you help me now? Me and my can it's a disgrace. I'm be pursued by the shadow of death. Every day.